Hey, welcome to my Skullerfly or Skull Butterfly face painting makeup tutorial. The things you will need will be white face paint, black face paint and white, black and grey eyeshadows. So to start off with, I am drawing the shape of a butterfly around my face in white face paint. Including the hollows of skull eyes and also where the hollows of the cheek would be if I was doing a skull makeup. I then coloured in the whole of the butterfly white, just obviously leaving the eyes clear of the white paint as we will paint them in black. And then using the same brush, which is a Loew Cornell number 4, I outlined the butterfly with black face paint. To create the image of the ends of the butterfly's wings, you need to hold the brush down and you wiggle and then flick in. The whole time I was doing this, I was looking at reference pictures, so I just kind of googled butterflies and skull butterflies. There was like a few different artworks that people had painted, so I just kept looking and checking that I was painting the right shape. And started shading the edges of the butterfly, and I used the paintbrush and then smudged it in with my fingers. As if you look at a butterfly, they often have black edges of the wings. And then I started to add some butterfly textures, and to do this I used quite light feathery strokes, and I was looking at a reference picture and the butterfly had these kind of stripes. Around the eye I added shading like you would if you were doing a skull face paint, and also some lines off of that which kind of look like cracks but also kind of look like a butterfly to kind of mix it all in together. And then I went into the white paint and just coloured in the bits that were already white anyway, but just to brighten it up and create a bit more of a contrast. I then wanted this part of the butterfly to look like a jaw, so I drew in the jaw and also as many teeth as I could fit in. Colour in the eye socket, I did a dark line around the edge and then blended it in with my finger and dark around the eyes, but then I left a space and I actually put some white face paint to make it look like a hollow eye socket. I then went in with some grey eyeshadow on quite a fine brush and started to shade in different areas of the skull butterfly. I then added some fresh white paint to the teeth and also highlighted different areas of the painting with white. I decided to do the other half off camera so it'd be quicker, so that's the full face. And then I started adding more details, and I added the body of the butterfly in the black paint. And I shaded around it with eyeshadow to kind of make it look a bit more 3D. I then added some white dots around the edges of the outlines and added a bit more highlights. I love adding dots to all my designs, but butterflies do actually have dots on the wings. I added the antennae, which were just as fine as possible, to black lines. And then using the grey face paint, I started to shade around the edges of the butterfly as I wanted it to kind of look like it was coming off my face a bit. To finish off the look, I added eyelashes, eyeliner, and then for the lips I did a black outline. This is a Makeup Revolution lip liner, and I did a really pale lipstick in the middle to do an ombre black lip, and this is the final look. I hope you like it. There's my Skullerfly. It's a bit random, but there you go. Thanks for watching.